Hello and welcome back to the video. And I have a problem, and the problem is called, is it gonna show up? Called this. There's this weird discoloration happening here, the edge of this panel, and I do not like that. It's a bit of a mark on the layer. I don't know why that's happening. At least I can show you how to take these things apart. Little plastic things cover these screws, and well, you just dig them out with a little, tiny flathead screwdriver. Yeah, it's gone wet. I wonder if that's what's causing that. It's more of a chocolatey brown in the center. That's kind of what these dark chocolate with these amorphous panels. This is more of a reddish color, and this horrible discoloration. Also kind of, yeah, there's a bit up here too. Manual said that these drop in performance by like, I think 20-something% after like 6 months. I wonder if this is why. And I don't think I have any like solar those tiny square ones for solar garden lights. But I'm pretty sure those have a little notch on the etched onto the end, little like extra square border slightly into the glass. This glass is actually kind of thin, by the way. I don't see that on here apart from the bottom. This has to be impacting performance. So little sticker delaminating or something. Oh yeah, that's the back. That's the other side of the panel, and that's how irritating. I'm gonna have to somehow put a stop to the shenanigans.